And so it begins. Salvage wood from a garage is closing down. The guys let the owner I'm working for have it for free. So I'm just taking out nails, screws, sizing up what I've got. I'm sure most people know this, but the claw on the back of a hammer helps you remove nails from your salvaged wood. So you hook the claw onto the nail head and yonk. Always dispose of your nails responsibly. Yonk. I put them in a bag. Keep them out of harm's way. So I haven't really filmed a lot of the in-between stages, but this is how planters are made. So you've got your inside corner pieces, so you screw through into the middle piece. This is the side, both sides are put into the inside corner piece, over here as well, here. The middles kind of help the bottom of the planter stay taut to the sides. So and then we're going to put the leg structure is going to be on the come up from these external pieces, so the planters can be on legs for the lady who I'm making them for. This is a really long one that was made with an old gate from that garage. So this is a heavier planter, so we're going to beef up the underneath structure the legs are going to be attached to. We're staining the inside of the planters now with oil-based stain. These are going to be green on the outside. Got a bit of a rainy day, so we're just staining the inside of the planters. Not much rain can get in there. And then the lady wants some green on the outside. I've even formulated a bit of a pattern on this one. I was lucky enough to find some wood that was like got that, so that looked quite nice. I think there's some on here as well. Yeah. So these are all going to be on legs for people who can't bend down. They want to grow some of their own veg and fruit in planters. And our pile of wood that we retrieved from a garage that was taken apart is shelving. A lot of that will be the leg structure now. I'll join a bit of video to this when some leg structures on. So these are the planters upside down with the legs on. The big planters finished all bar staining with a green colour that the lady wants, and we put these cross braces on. See these? Diagonal. It means that the legs can't all in unison just flop over. Cross brace on both sides, so I'm just working on that now for the other planters. So that's the large planter, which is like 1.5 meters by 80 across. So cross braces on this. The pile's dwindled down, and it's dwindling down more. All the compost is picked up earlier at a garden centre DIY store in Cardiff. That's my beast, my chop saw. I really recommend if you want speedy cutting. A hammer there, tape measure, handsaw for little nicks here and there. And we've got the nutrients for the soil. I'm going to stain the bottom of these, and then I can tilt them all over and get paint in the rest. And the varnish I've got dries within an hour. Wickes, good sturdy shop. So I've been between Wickes, B&Q, and where'd I go? Went somewhere else. I forgot where. I'll update you on that. A lovely garden here, and so these planters have got plenty of room to live happily here.